Have you ever longed for a place that feels like it belongs in a storybook, where vintage treasures and wild beauty come together to create a timeless escape? Welcome to my Bohemian garden. In today's video, I'll show you how I've turned this outdoor space into a nostalgic haven filled with charm and character. Welcome to Green Home Living. Amidst a Bohemian garden, a small house with ivy-covered walls offers a peaceful hideaway. Exotic plants and flowers bloom in every corner, creating a haven of serenity and natural beauty. A cozy Bohemian garden reveals a tiny stone house adorned with colorful cushions and hanging lanterns. An abundance of plants adds to the magic, creating a space that feels both inviting and mysterious. In a vibrant Bohemian garden, a cozy cottage nestles among a sea of colorful flowers and lush greenery. The eclectic outdoor furniture adds charm to the setting, creating a sanctuary of warmth and creativity. A peaceful Bohemian garden reveals a tiny wooden house surrounded by flowering plants and fairy lights. Vibrant outdoor decor adds to the beauty, making this garden a perfect oasis. A vibrant Bohemian garden hides a quaint cottage surrounded by blooming flowers and lush greenery. Colorful textiles and eclectic outdoor decor add to the charm, making this garden a lively and welcoming space. In a Bohemian garden, a rustic cottage is adorned with colorful cushions and lanterns. A variety of exotic plants adds to the mystique of this unique space, inviting you to explore its hidden corners. This colorful Bohemian garden is home to a traditional cottage, where flowing curtains and macrame decorations flutter in the wind. Exotic plants and flowers create a paradise that feels like a world of its own. A serene Bohemian garden reveals a small stone house surrounded by blooming flowers and cozy hammocks. Vibrant outdoor decor adds a touch of color, making this garden a peaceful refuge. A vibrant Bohemian garden unfolds around a quaint house adorned with colorful tapestries and lush greenery. Eclectic outdoor furniture adds to the charm, making this garden a lively and welcoming retreat. A cozy Bohemian garden reveals a rustic cabin surrounded by blooming flowers. Colorful cushions and hanging plants add to the magic, creating a space that feels both inviting and mysterious. A rustic wooden house stands at the heart of a Bohemian-style garden, where vibrant textiles and overgrown plants weave together a wild, enchanting atmosphere. This is a retreat where nature and artistry intertwine. This colorful Bohemian garden is home to a traditional cottage, where flowing curtains and macrame decorations flutter in the wind. Exotic plants and flowers create a paradise that feels like a world of its own. In this tranquil Bohemian garden, a rustic stone house is enveloped by blooming flowers. Cozy hammocks and colorful outdoor rugs add to the charm, creating a space where time seems to stand still. In a Bohemian garden bursting with life, a rustic cottage is adorned with colorful tapestries and lanterns. An abundance of exotic plants adds to the garden's vibrancy, creating a lively and welcoming space. In a Bohemian-style garden, a quaint wooden house is adorned with colorful tapestries and hanging lanterns. Lush greenery surrounds the space, creating a vibrant retreat from the outside world. Thank you for taking this journey into the past with me. My Bohemian garden is a place where the old becomes new again, and I hope it's inspired you to add a touch of vintage charm to your own space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until our next adventure, may your days be filled with beauty and wonder.